Hello everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm your instructor for MA064 this term. I'm excited to get to know you. I wanted to make a little video to introduce myself and also provide some guidance or some help navigating around the course. So let's get started. Again, I'm Ryan, and I live in Emporia, Kansas. I was a math teacher for 15 years, and I currently work at the central office for Emporia Public Schools. I've been teaching at Butler County since about 1996. So I've been around a long time doing face-to-face and online classes. I'm excited to get to work with you. So let's get started with our class. So everything usually begins right here in Canvas. So click on our course. And the first place I want you to go is I'd like you to go review your syllabus. This is the front page of our page, but it'll populate to home. But let's go to our simple syllabus. Let's take a look at it real quick. This will provide you with information about the course. I'm going to specifically point out a few items like the grading scale and the things you'll be doing for work. Okay, so here we go. There's a picture of me. If you scroll down through this, you'll see several things like, for example, these are the items in the course. We'll do certifies, we'll do additional items, and we'll do a module exam. Here's your course schedule. Make sure you take a look at this. This tells you when things are due. I print this off. And then the next part is your policies, both institution and department policies. Next place I want to go is I want to go to announcements. Announcements are probably the most important way of communicating for me in this class. I do it a lot. You're going to see a lot of announcements. Almost every day you'll get some kind of announcement from me. You'll see there's a bunch here. These are all delayed. You'll see this one you got the other day. I think you got it on the 19th. So you should have already got that. Hopefully you have your announcements set up to be so you're notified via your email. You'll get an announcement tomorrow about week 1 and the assignments that are due. The next place I want you to go is go to modules. And modules, there's a couple things I want to go over with you. So when you come in here, you're going to start here, begin here. And you're going to come down here to this begin here. And the first thing you can do is meet your instructor. You can read about me. The next thing you need to do is your student introduction. And then you need to make sure you do your quiz. This is a student contract quiz. Everybody needs to do that. And then if you are going to take a proctored exam, you can read about the information in there. So the next place you need to go is to log into Hawks. Hawks is where we do all of our work for this class. And hopefully we'll be able to use single sign-on. I hope I got it set up right. But to log into Hawks, you click on Hawks single sign-on. And then you should be able to, once you get into there, click on Load Hawks single sign-on in a new window. Go and do that. And then that should take you to our class. And you see here's our course, MA064 10771. And then it'll tell you here's what's due. So the first thing that's due for you is 2.5. If you click on that, you'll do your learning pieces. This is where you learn the content. This is where you practice the content. And then this is where you certify. You have to certify before you can move on to the next piece. And you have to have all the lessons certified before you can take your module exam. So that's a little bit about me and about the course. If you need help, let me know. I'll talk to you later. Bye.